Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Handmade. Today, I'm going to make a crash test for this Russian truck ZIL 130 made from plasticine clay. This truck is detailed precisely. We can open the hood and here is the engine. I've made it of plasticine clay and the ordinary blue and white plasticine. I've made all the body parts very thin for better bending during the crash test. Also, I've used foil as a base to make the construction more stable and durable. The first hit bent the wheel and the left fender. The last one was bent up significantly. The radiation grille is also deformed, but the bumper was moved as it's attached to the frame. The whole back part of the car is distorted. The fender is almost torn off, and the wheels are turned to different angles. It was a very powerful head-on crash. The front part of the body was lifted up, so even the engine could be seen. I wonder what speed is required to crush the real truck. It wasn't powerful enough to do damage. Let's try again, but from another side. The experiment with pencils was productive at the crash test of the Dodge. I decided to repeat it with the truck. I failed to pierce the truck, and again and again. Okay, it's useless this time. Let's just hit the back part of the truck. Wow! This crash turned it upside down. The rear axle was bent and the drive shaft was torn out. The crash test is over. It's time to show you the creation process step by step. I will hone my craft to please you with the new, improved plasticine cars. So, if you like my destructive creativity, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. See you!